Les deux frères. Les deux frères. Oh!
Take your time. Pull it up slow down the lane.
That's gonna keep bringing it in.
This is exciting.
Yeah, this is it. Here, boy. Cool day. Here's Father.
C'est quoi, c'est? Ouais, c'est bien. Il est supposed to bring the books in.
Yeah.
C'est un gars.
Okay, just keep your tension on. Just wait for Pat to bring this in. I don't know who's further, but...
Yeah, but we don't know who's further. Actually, he just dropped his line, man. Pretty sure that's the line he just had.
That's the one you just dropped.
No, just keep bringing them in. Nope.
Pull up slow, really quick. Pull up slow. Did you shoot them?
There he is, I see him. Nice one. Jack's the rally.
What's up?
Jack.
Let's do that. Hey, we'll be in first place in the tournament now. Want me to hold it? Lucky yours is bigger. Is
that a rooster?
Okay.
Just stop.
That's big because it is? Is it on? Lucky? No. Keep bringing yours in, Lucky. What do you call that? I'm gonna grab this. Turn him. Wow. Where's your click?
Hey, let me sit there too. Yep, he is.
Yeah,
nice.
he moved to sidewalk. He moved in.
Yeah, sit on that chair.
I know it's by the. It's on that side.
Yeah. Look at this guy.
Is that funny?
Pulling, eh, dude? Yeah.
Yeah, they'll pull.
Let me know when you need a hand egg.
Yeah. One more time.
Fish. Holy shit.
Put him in there. Put him in there, Pat. Yeah!
What kind of fish is that one?
Toro, yeah.
What is it?
Jack Crevel, their tuna family. Down here they call them Toro, the bull.
I'm glad it was late because I was struggling. I didn't want it to be like a tiny one. Like,
Gonna have a beer for that one, Pat.
Dan's got a big one, eh? Because you're not used to hearing that, eh?
That's baby.
Got a big one? It's tough. Massive one.
Yeah, oh yeah. You go too long, eh?
No, I've never done it. We're eating dinner tonight. Probably another Jack, eh?
for the marlin.
Okay. Holy throbbing.
Let me keep on that spot through the pass there.
Yeah.
I'm getting it.
Well, you can see them like everything at the top of the goal.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're colored. Really good. Holy
He's trying to tangle up in that line.
Very seldom they'll ever tangle when you're bringing them in.
Really, eh?
Yeah. Not like salmon.
Oh, yeah. They cross all over, eh?
good seeing you.
Yeah, he's deep still. Deep down still.
Oh, that's not good. Quiet down in there.
Oh. That might knock someone else. Yeah, eh?
Avoid it, give you. We're gonna see you.
Oh, my gosh, I'm not yet.
Swimming, yeah.
Right off the spot.
Oh man, he's fighting hard. He's fighting it. He doesn't want to lose his family.
Guess, let's guess. How big you think?
5 kilos.
Oh, push it, so
5 pounds is one there.
yours is like 15, like 20. How big was that toro you just pulled in? 15 pounds?
Probably 20.
20? Like you pulling up a 40 pounder? No, it's not. You want to staff again? Let's go. Try it. Look up.
It's good size.
Oh, wow. That's down here.
Actually, in my red bag, there's a camera bag. There's another camera like this that's an underwater one.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's still pulling hard.
Oh, that's a lot of work. Oh my god. Terrible. Double jacks, eh? Lucky.